Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can add a bank account on your QuickBooks Online or just QuickBooks account. So of course you need to be signed into your account, and once you are in your dashboard, look towards your right hand side and go on accounting, right? Click on accounting, and here if it's going to be your first time, it's going to say automate income and expense tracking. So connect a bank or credit card to get started. So all you need to do is click on connect account here. It's the green button. It's going to bring you to the page here where you can just see whatever account you want to use. For example, we want to use this one like so. Wait for it to load. And here, it's going to ask you, Maker of QuickBooks, request access to your info. So what can Intuit access, right? How long will this consent be valid? And then how will this data be used? And then so it's going to be for QuickBooks Online to provide insights, recommend things we will think will benefit you and improve the products. Can I change my mind? You can revoke your consent at any time, which is pretty good. So once that's done, click on agree and you'll be able to connect your bank account on your QuickBooks account. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.